welcome to my channel. So today I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. It was actually a pretty good haul. I don't have like a lot of deals, but with everything that I got, it came out to be pretty much like a moneymaker for everything except one item, which I think is kind of cool. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got and then the deals that you guys can do. So the first deal that I was going to originally do was the Tresemme deal, and then I saw that we had Nexus coupons this morning, and I had a Nexus CRT. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do this deal and let's see what can work out in my favor. So I had a 4 off of 25 Nexus Tresemme, I think Pantene 4 off of 25 CRT, and then I also had a, no, not 4 off of 25. Where did I write this down at? 5 off of 25, and then I had a 4 off of 20 any hair shampoo. So I'm like, okay, that means I have to get over $45 worth of shampoo and conditioner. So what I ended up doing is I got the Tresemme. These were $4.99. They are buy one get one 50% off. I used $5 off of 2 coupons that we got from our Retail Me Not. I feel like that Retail Me Not is probably, or that insert that we got last week is probably the best, because I have used it like crazy between Walmart, CVS, and Walgreens, you guys. Like, it's just paid for itself. That's just so awesome when we can get tons of money back for only paying so much for a newspaper. But yeah, so I got these, and then I ended up getting the Tresemme. Now, I get confused with how they mark these. Sometimes the prices are just not right. I thought it was $15.99 and $16.99, and then when I looked at my receipt, one of them was $16.99 and the other one was $22.99. So my fault, but still came out to be a moneymaker. So again, $22.99 is one of these and $16.99 is the other one. And I used 2 $5 off coupons that we got from the Printables this morning online. So I used that plus the 5 off of 25 and the 4 off of 20. So I paid $25.95 for 6 bottles of shampoo and conditioner. Two Nexus and 4 Tresemmes, okay? But when you guys buy, or when you spend 15, or when you buy 3 of the Tresemme, you get a $5 extra care buck, and then when you spend $30, you guys would end up getting, was it $30? Or was it 20? I can't remember. I think it was spend 30. But then you get $10 when you spend over 30 for the Nexus. But you guys, we have Ibotta. Ibotta is just kicking butt this week. There is a $3 rebate and a $3 rebate with Ibotta, and then there is a $3 rebate with Tresemme times 3. It's only a limit of 3. So you guys would end up getting $9 back with Ibotta for that. And if you guys buy 2 of these, a shampoo and conditioner, one of each, you guys can submit your receipt to Shopkick. You'll get 1,100 points, which is equivalent to $4.40. So if you add everything up together, this all becomes a $2.45 moneymaker, you guys. Like, that is awesome. That is awesome. So I was pretty excited to do that deal. I love it when we can get, you know, free shampoo and conditioner. So yes, and this is the shampoo and conditioner that I am currently using right now. So then today, so today there's 2 new employees there that I've never seen before, and the one girl's like, oh, how are you doing? You know, I'm like, yeah, good. And then she's like, are you finding everything all right? I says, yeah. And then like she saw me down a different aisle. Do you need help with anything? Are you finding everything all right? I says, yep, I'm good. I go down a different aisle. You still doing okay? I'm like, yeah. I says, you don't have to tell me if I'm doing, you don't have to keep asking me the same question. I says, I at this store every single week. I know this store very well. I says, you know, she's like, oh, I'm sorry about it. I'm like, no, it's okay. Just, I mean, I swear she told me about 5 times, and I'm just like, and I'm there for an hour, so it's going crazy. So today I was sitting on the floor and I was doing this deal, because I originally was going to do the Dove and the Suave, but then I found a better deal, and this comes out to be awesome. So I ended up getting the Dove Men Body Wash. This was $9.59. They're currently buy one get one 50% off. So I used that buy one get one free coupon to get the men's deodorant. This was $6.79, so you guys would get this for 50% off. So I used that plus the buy one get one free coupon. I ended up getting the Axe body wash. These were $5.99. I used a 3 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts from last week also. Again, more, you guys, like, this is all stuff from the Unilever thing that we got last week, which is awesome. And then I got 2 of the men's body wash. These were $2.39. All, again, buy one, get one 50% off. Okay. And I used 2 $1 off coupons from last week. So I also had a $2 off Axe body wash CRT. I had a $3 off Dove CRT. And then I had a 2 off of 2 Suave CRT. So I got that. And then I had a $4 off a $25 body wash CRT that I wanted to use. So I ended up using that because I'm like, okay, I got to figure out how much body wash I have here. So I used that. So my total came to $4.55 for all that stuff. But then I got $5 back with an extra care buck. Now I was an idiot and I thought there was a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, but when I scanned it, it didn't work. And I'm like, I didn't scan it before I bought it, which is still fine. But so just don't make the mistake like I did. But then you get a you get 250 points when you buy this on Shopkick, which is equivalent to $1. So everything that I got here was a $1.05 moneymaker that I used on all 6 of these items. So that was like awesome, you guys. This is like a nice week for moneymakers. So got all of that. So then I wanted to do the lotion deal, you guys. I finally got a Lotion Crt. It said I got it today. I looked through all of my things. I could not find it. So I ended up having to send it to my card because I could not find that coupon. I'm like, where the heck did it go? So I ended up getting these 2 little bad boys. This was $13.79 and this was $7.79. I used a $2 off coupon for this one and a $2 off coupon for this one. I had a $3.50 off of 15 CRT, plus I had a $3 app coupon for Aquaphor. So my total came to $11.08. Okay, but when you spend $20 or more, you guys get a $10 extra care buck. So there's that, and you guys can submit your receipt to Ibotta. So I got $2.50 for this rebate and a $1.30 for this rebate with Ibotta. So my grand total came to a $2.72 moneymaker for some lotion. So pretty excited. I'm pretty excited for that deal. Yes. And then I got the Vaseline. The Vaseline was, it's usually $4.99. There's a sale where they're like 40% off, I think. So my store had them for $3.79. I had a $2 off coupon that we got from our inserts last week. And I had a $2 off Vaseline CRT that I used. So this was a 21-cent moneymaker. I made money off of this also. So yes. Then I got the Hallmark cards, you guys. So I had a 4 off of 6. Hallmark CRT. Now, if you guys are not sure if your CRT will work for certain items, use the app. Use the app and scan the products at the store, and you guys can see what CRTs will attach to it. There's sometimes I found out that I had CRTs and I'm like, I didn't even know that would work, and it did. So giving you guys a heads up. So I bought 3 cards because there's a deal where if you buy $3 or you buy 3 cards over $2 or more, you get a $3 extra care buck. And then I bought 3 of these bags. So these bags are 49 cents. And I bought 3 $2 cards. So for this total, it came to be $7.47. But then I got that $4 off CRT that I used. So I paid $3.47 for all 6 of these items. But then I got a $3 extra care buck back, making them just 47 cents. And I thought 47 cents for that is a pretty good deal. So I'm just keeping a pack of these. I think I'm going to use them for like gift parties and all that stuff because I just got a bunch of them, and I got cards that I have to organize my cards. I might have to get a bigger card holder, which I think I should do that. My total that I had to do 2 separate transactions because I wanted the Suave, the Dove, and the Axe. I wanted to make sure that turned out okay. So that's the reason why I did 2 separate transactions. But my total combined was $3.06. I ended up using $38 of extra care bucks, but I did receive $33 back. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and got $12.90 back with Ibotta. And Ibotta, I ended up having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rebates with Ibotta, which was a pretty good deal. And then with Shopkick, I got 1,350 points, which is equivalent to $5.40. And that was it. I got 21 items for a $10.24 moneymaker. I got everything for free, plus I made a profit, plus I'm excited to see what I get for beauty. My beauty last week, you guys, I got $12. $12 back for beauty. I'm like, what the heck did I spend? But I do think the lotion is beauty. I don't think the body wash is, but I do know the I swear you guys have told me the lotion is beauty, but we will see what I get next week. But I was pretty excited with this haul. I am going to try to submit my receipt to Fetch Rewards. We will see if I get my points. They're on my bad side right now. They're on my bad side. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Bye-bye.